Hi, everyone. With our curbside service resuming on Wednesday, May 20th, I thought it would be a good time to do a little tutorial on how you can put things on hold signing into your online library account. It's pretty simple, and we're going to just walk through it right here. There's two different ways to access our online catalog. You can do it through our homepage, marshallcolibrary.org, by hovering over the home thing here and going to catalog. Another way to do it is to simply type in catalog.marshallcolibrary.org, and it's going to take you to this screen. You can log in down here. There's also a place over here you can click to log in. Typically, your login here at the top is going to be your library card number, which is that big long number that starts with 29969 and then keeps going. Mine, because I work here, is not my library card number, but everybody else's should be. Your password is the same thing as your PIN, and for most people, it's going to be your phone number with area code, no dashes, no spaces. So mine's saved here, and I'm just going to click log in. Take me to this screen. So when you first log in, it's going to show you the items that you have out right now. If you'll notice here, everything that was checked out before we closed in March is now due on August the 1st. So if you are one of those people who need to be staying at home still, if you don't have a reason to get out, there is no reason for you to return your material right now to our drop boxes, which do not open until May the 18th. But don't feel like you need to rush to bring those in. Anything checked out before we closed in March is due on August the 1st. So you can also, on this screen, you can look and see if you have any fines, which nobody does because of our amnesty. You can look at your personal details. You can change your password, which is your PIN. So that would change it for Hoopla and all that also. You can look at your search history, your reading history, all sorts of things right here on the left. But in order to put something on hold, you want to search for it, correct? So you're going to think about what you would like to check out, and I'm going to type in Lord of the Rings. And I did Lord of the Rings on purpose because, as you can see, there are 274 results. There's a lot of stuff there that qualifies as Lord of the Rings. So if you look here on the left-hand side of the screen, you will see that there are lots of different ways to refine your search. So if you're wanting to watch one of the Lord of the Rings movies, you can just click DVD. Now, let's see. So here we go. And the Fellowship of the Ring comes up here at the top. So I'm going to say that's the one I want. When I click into the Fellowship of the Ring, I think I clicked, yes. You have all the information here, and when you scroll down, it will show you whether or not it's available and what branches it's available at. So I'm like, oh, it's all of this. So I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to, on the right-hand side, click Place a Hold. You see this other thing here, Save to Your List. You can also make lists of things you would like to check out in the future and just kind of have that all saved in one space. But today we're going to worry about this Place a Hold. When this comes up, you notice it says pickup location and has a drop-down box. You can choose where you're going to pick it up at, Benton, Calvert City, Hardin, even the Bookmobile. Please only choose Bookmobile if you are already part of the Bookmobile route. If you needed to be added to a Bookmobile route, give us a call, 270-527-9969. But otherwise, choose one of the branches. Please note that when we start on May 20th doing curbside service, we will be offering curbside at Benton on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and at Hardin and Calvert City on Tuesdays and Thursdays. And those hours at all branches on all days is 9:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. So I'm going to put it on hold at Calvert City. I am going to confirm that hold, and you will see that it brings it up, and it says right there that there's a hold for Lord of the Rings, Fellowship of the Ring, and that's all it takes. When we start pulling books on the 20th, we will go in, we will be able to see everybody's holds, we will wash our hands, and then go gather your material, place it in a bag. When you get there, either that day or Friday, if you're picking up at Benton, I said this one's at Calvert City, so I would need to go on Thursday. and I would just give a call from the parking lot, say, "Hi, this is Tammy. I had some stuff on hold and I'm here." And they will go find my bag, take it, put it on a cart outside. Once that employee has stepped back into the library, then I am free to go up, grab my material off the cart, and take it home with me. It'll be ready to go. If you have any questions on how curbside service is going to work or need some help figuring out how to do this, placing things on hold, signing into your library account, please don't hesitate to contact us. You can send us a message here on Facebook. You can email one of us using the first initial of our first name, our last name at marshallciolalibrary.org as our email address, or give us a call, 270-527-9969. We look forward to seeing you guys soon. Thank you.